Okay, so we have this question. AB 10, BC 20, and CA 30. And we're asked to look for A plus B plus C. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply all of this together. This will have A squared, B squared, and C squared to give us 6,000. So this we can bring them up together like so. And then we can find the square root of both sides. And this square cancels the square root. So we're left with ABC is equal to the square root of 6,000. So ABC is equal to the square root of 6,000. Now the next thing we do is to break down this, and we can do that here. 6,000 divided by 2, we have 3,000. 3,000 divided by 2, we have 1,500. 1,500 divided by 2, we have 750. 750 divided by 2, we have 375. 5 divided by this, we have 7 and 5. Into this is 35, 2, and that's it. 5 into this is 15. 5 into 15 is 3. Okay. So now we can multiply this to give us 16, and this to give us 25, and then that's 15. So we have 16 times 25 times 15, A, B, C. And this will give us the square root of 16, that's the square root of 25, that's the square root of 15, A, B, C. This will give us 4.5 square root of 15. This is 20 root 15 as A, B, C. So now we've gotten to this point. The next thing we are going to do is to introduce what was given to us initially as AB equal to 10, BC equal to 20, and CA equal to 30. Please don't mind this circle, it means nothing actually. It's just a reflection I just don't want to write on. So, because if I do write on it, you're not going to see anything there. So, that's why I had to circle it, so I don't write on it. Alright, I'm trying to manage the board. Okay, remember our final step got us ABC equal to 20 root 15. Alright, so imputing this here, AB as 10, we have 10C 20 root 15. We divide both sides by 10. And we have our C to be what? 2 root 15. Okay, so I'm going to use this part to keep all those values. So we have our C to be what? 2 root 15. Let's look for another one. BC is 20. So if BC is 20, we have 20A, right? And 20 root 15. We divide both sides by 20. And we have our A to be what? Root 15. We'll keep that here. And we wipe out to solve for B. We have our CA as 30. So if we have CA as 30, we have 30B equal to 20 root 15. So if we divide both sides by 30, we have B to be what? 2 root 15 all over 3. So now that we have all these items, remember we're asked to look for A plus B plus C. So we add all those things together. A plus B plus C equal to what? Our A is root 15. Our B is 2 root 15 over 3. And our C is 2 root 15. So this is over 1, this is over 1. And find the LCM. Our LCM is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 times root 15 will give us 3 root 15. 3 into this is 1, 2 root 15. And this is 3, 6 root 15. So when we add 3 plus 2 plus 6, since we have the same, what will I call it? Something in common to all of them. So we can say that these are their coefficients, okay? 3 plus 2 is 5 plus this is 11 root 15 all over 3. Okay, so that's it.